In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can create polls on WhatsApp. If you didn't know how to do this, I'm going to show you step by step. But before we do dive into this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. If you want to do this, begin by opening up WhatsApp and going into whatever chat you want to start your poll on. In this case, we're going to do this one right here. And what you're going to want to do is actually tap on the plus icon all the way in the bottom left corner, and it's going to pop up with a bunch of different options. Select poll on this section. From here, type in your question up at the top. For example, I'll type in, did you like the video? And then from here, you can add in your options right below. For example, I could do yes, and then I could do no as well. If you'd like to reorder them, you can actually just like drag them around just like so. It's pretty easy to go ahead and do. And you can add up to 12 different options. Now, by default, participants can pick more than one option. I recommend turning this off. And that's going to be turning off allow multiple answers. And from here, all you have to go ahead and do is tap send, and it's going to appear in the right side of the chat. Everyone in this group or chat can now go ahead and tap vote, and the results will update live so that everyone can see them. But that is it. It really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And before you do leave this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and lets us know that you want more content like this. We greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.